the more it grows inside. Chasing your love again, searching for the high. I'm falling deeper, deeper.
Shout out to SAMA25 Muzanzi for sure. Shout out to Risa. It's been 25 years with South African Music Awards.
TKZ did not even exist at the time. 25 years down the line, I would be receiving something like this.
I just won Best Pop Album for the 3rd time in a row with Nostalgia, and I'm really, really grateful, man.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu konke umuntu ohlale phansi wadecide ukuthi yona i-album of the year.
Ngiyabalebuka kaMada. Hela, Kalawa Jasmine, thank you so much.
Today I managed to win Best Newcomer and also Best Female Kwalawan Kati SAMA25 Awards.
Thank you so much to all the fans that voted. This is your award, guys. It's not mine.
And a big shout out to SABC1
For playing my music.
City, congratulations to all the SAMA25 winners. Siyafisela impumelelo ukuthi baqhubeke. Siyazi ukuthi this is just a start of a beautiful journey for those winners.
Keep watching SABC1. Mzansi for sure.